How to get rid of blackheads on the chin fast at home. Home remedies to get rid of blackheads on the chin. 1. Exfoliate regularly. Regular exfoliation removes dead skin cells from your chin, thus unclogging the pores. However, avoid over-exfoliating as this may worsen the condition. Use gentle scrubs to exfoliate the area. 2. Prep the skin by exposing it to steam. Before you start extracting the blackheads, prepare your skin. Put some warm water in a bowl and lean on it. Cover your head with a towel. This will open the pores and make extraction easier. You can add a few drops of tea tree oil in the water. 3. Avoid squeezing the blackhead with your nails. This will further aggravate the condition. Instead, use a blackhead remover or buy a blackhead removing tool. 4. Try using blackhead removal strips. There are many good quality blackhead removing strips available in the market. You can use any of them to avoid scarring your chin. 5. Use sea salt for blackhead removal. Sea salt is an excellent antibacterial that unclogs your pores. Mix sea salt with a few drops of lemon juice and a bit of water, and then massage the mixture on your chin. It dissolves all the dirt and dead skin cells. 6. Consume foods rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that protects and nurtures your skin and prevents acne, blemishes, and blackheads. It fights the harmful free radicals and inhibits bacterial growth. Consume foods rich in vitamin C, such as red bell pepper, papaya, strawberries, and dark leafy vegetables. You can also take vitamin C supplements. This helps in boosting collagen. 7. Apply orange peel. Dry some orange peels and powder them. Make a paste using some water and apply it to your chin. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash using warm water. This prevents excess oil production and dirt accumulation. 8. Avoid scrubbing the affected area vigorously. Forceful scrubbing scratches your skin. Moreover, it triggers more oil production and makes your blackheads worse. 9. Utilize the power of aloe. Aloe vera gel is an extremely potent remedy for blackheads. Apply the gel directly on your chin and leave it on for 10 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. 10. Use blackhead strips with milk and honey. Milk and honey make a wonderful combination for treating blackheads. Mix raw honey with a bit of raw milk and make a paste. Microwave it for a few seconds and let it cool. Dip a cotton strip in this mixture and apply to your chin. Pull it off in one go after 20 minutes. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.